I'm Dr. Kelly Jaakkola, Director of Research at Dolphin Research Center. A while back we did a question and answer session with Awesome Ocean, but there were a few technical glitches, so we didn't get a chance to answer everybody's questions. So we wanted to make sure we could circle back and get to everybody's questions, which is what we're going to do right now. Another question, how do the kind of cognitive studies you do benefit dolphins in the wild? Any study of dolphin behavior is informed by what we know about their cognitive capacities. You can look at dolphin behavior in the wild, and that's great and that's important, but there are some things you can't see through binoculars. So for example, sometimes different cognitive processes give rise to behavior that looks similar. So the best example I know of this happened to a friend of mine with a parrot, not a dolphin. He was sitting in a barber shop who had a parrot, and at one point the parrot turns to him and says, "Psst, I don't like you." Now, I'm not going to knock the cognitive abilities of parrots. Parrots are very cool. But I guarantee you that the way we interpret that behavior should be really different from how we interpret that same behavior if it were performed by an adult human. And the reason is we know that the cognitive processes that give rise to that behavior are different in these two species. The same thing is true when we're trying to interpret dolphin behavior. So for example, if we're trying to interpret dolphin communication, or why two dolphins are doing the same thing, or why they strand, a big piece to those puzzles is going to come from what we know about how dolphins perceive and think about their world. And that's exactly what we get from studies of their cognition.